Okay.
No, you should take it like this.
You want to be there or you want me to? So yeah, guys. Anything you want to say to your ex?
Thank you for the shoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm here with my friend Latif and we will be installing spacers on his Alfa Romeo. What is it? What model is it?
It's Alfa Romeo 4C.
4C.
Spider.
Yeah, it's a really nice car. I think it's made out of carbon fiber, right? It's full carbon fiber or almost.
It's a carbon fiber monocoque.
Gotcha. And then also there's no power steering, right?
No, it's manual steering.
Just so he can get more power.
Yep.
Overall, the car is really light. You can really push it with like your fingers, right? Like one hand. And you
Pinky.
can do it with a pinky, yeah. So it should be a fun day. So we're gonna go ahead and put spacers on this beautiful Alfa Romeo.
Thank you.
And then I was thinking I'll probably do exhaust video as well, since you're here.
Yeah.
Stock exhaust right now, but it's pretty loud.
So the car is currently all stock. It's a 2018. So this is going to be my first mod, spacers, and hopefully we'll be doing another video for intake.
Yeah. So we're getting intake. We're putting intake, right?
Yeah.
And spacers and what else?
Exhaust.
Maybe we'll do an exhaust too.
And then
We'll see.
some cosmetic.
Not even exhaust. I think we just put a mid pipe, in the middle. We'll
Yeah.
see. I'm gonna check out
Like
the car today, see what kind of
Pizza metal. We can put
Yeah.
pizza metal. It's like a small exhaust.
but it's
Yeah.
pretty loud. You can still hear it.
Yeah. It's just stock.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, please click subscribe, like, share, and then I'll see you guys in the next episode with this guy.